Welcome all to the number sense series with problems, and today's video is going to be the last video on the topic of LCM and GCF. Determine the smallest three-digit number which is exactly divisible by 12 and 20. So we need to find the number which is divisible by 12 and 20. So this clearly indicates that we are going to find some multiples, right? So it's going to be, let's find the LCM of 12 and 20. So it is, we'll start with 2. So as a part of finding LCM, we multiply all the numbers and it's going to be 60. Okay, so the number we have got 60 is completely divisible by 12 and 20. But what the question is, we have to find the smallest three-digit number. But what we have got is a smallest two-digit number. Okay, so we just find the multiple of 60 and try to find the smallest three-digit number. So 16 times 2, it is equal to 120. So 120 is a three-digit number. The smallest three-digit number we know is 100 generally. Okay, so generally speaking, so the next number it is going to be 120, which is the smallest three-digit number which is divisible exactly by 12 and 20. Okay, so next question, determine the greatest three-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. The format exactly tells us it is a least common multiple associated problem. So we find the LCM for these three number. So it is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 3, which is going to be 120. Okay, so yeah, we have got a three-digit number as expected, but they want the greatest three-digit number. What is the greatest three-digit number? Generally we know. Okay, it is 999. General three-digit, bigger three-digit number is 999. So now what we have to do is we have to find the multiples of 120, which is going to be closer to 999. Okay, let's just try with 5 times. It's going to be 600. It's almost we are in the middle. So we'll try with 8 times. We find it is going to be 960. So 960 is the closest to 999. If we do with 9 multiples, then it will be a 4-digit number. So since we want only greatest 3-digit number, we stop with this, and 960 is going to be the answer for this question. Okay, one important thing I want to indicate here is don't get trapped with the word smallest and greatest in the question. Okay, and try to find LCM for the first problem and GCF for the second problem. Don't get trapped. Okay, you have to always see to the word exactly divisible. This is the clue word which will help you to find whether it is an LCM or GCF. Okay, exactly divisible by. So it is complete indication of a multiple number, and that too we are going to apply LCM. Okay, be careful with that. We'll move on to the next problem. Find the smallest and greatest number of 4 digits which is exactly divisible by 48 and 32. So exactly divisible. So we are going to find the LCM for this number. If you are new to the concept of LCM, or if you're new to the concept of factorials and multiples, please go through my previous playlist videos, and then you'll be able to solve this very easily. Okay, now we have got the factors. So it is 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 2 times 3. It is going to be 144. So we have to find the smallest 4-digit number. So we try to multiply with some numbers randomly. Okay, 144 times 5 is 720. So we are somewhere nearer. So we will multiply with 7. We are finding it out as 1008. Okay, good. So we have got the smallest 4-digit number. They're also asking for the greatest number of 4 digits. So it is 7. I'm just imagining, let's see, if I multiply with 70, it's going to give 1080, right? So it is a 5-digit number. So I want to reduce it to nearer to 10,000. Okay, sorry. Greatest 4-digit number is 9,999, right? So it's really closer, right? So let me multiply with 69 times, and I found it to be 900, right? So this is very closer to the 4-digit number. So the answer is smallest 4-digit number that is divisible by 48 and 72 is 1008, and the greatest 4-digit number that is divisible by 48 and 72 is 9936. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you have to do a GCF for greatest number and LCM for smallest number. It is only the LCM we are going to do, and we are going to find the multiples. Okay, so very be careful with this. And then find the smallest number which on being added to 24 to it is exactly. So we have to find a number which when added to 24, okay, is exactly divisible by 36 and 96. So that means what? We find the LCM, and that number is going to completely get divisible by 36 and 96, right? But what they're asking is we have to find a number which when add only after adding to 24 is going to be divisible by this number. So what we have to do is find the LCM, reduce the 24, so automatically we will get that number. Okay, let's do it. So find the LCM of 36 and 96. So the LCM is going to be 288. But they want a number which when only after adding 24 it is going to be divisible, right? So what we have to do is simply subtract the 24 from 288, so which will become 264. Okay, so the smallest number which when added to 24 is divisible by 36 and 96 is 264. So we have to keep an eye on the question what they are asking for. Okay, then that's a small concept like HCF times LCM is equal to product of the given numbers. That is, for example, I am taking two numbers, that is 30 and 48. Okay, I am taking two numbers 30 and 48. If I multiply that number 30 and 48, okay, and I'll find the LCM and GCF for this. So it is like so GCF is or HCF is going to be 2 times 3, that is 6, whereas LCM is going to be 2 times 3 times 5 times 8, which is going to be 240. Okay, so this GCF or HCF into LCM 240, these two values are going to be equal. Okay, this is a property which we are finding out, and using this property we are going to do some problems today. HCF of two numbers is 3, okay, and their LCM is 54. If one of the number is 27, what is the other number? It's quite simple, right? So the other number, the other number is going to be 3 times 54 by 27, which is going to be 6. Okay. LCM of two numbers is 60, and if the product of the two numbers is 180, what is HCF or GCF? Okay, so HCF is equal to 180 by 60, which is equal to 3. Okay, so with this video, I'm just trying to wind up with the LCM, HCF, multiples and factors, all those problems. So if you have any doubts in the previous video or in this video, please put it in the comment section, or if you have any questions not covered in this videos, please let me know. After this, we are going to see a number sequence as our main topic in the coming videos. See you in the next video. Please subscribe and share the videos as much as you can. Thank you for watching.